Bakit marami nagsasabi ang Sun Life, Sunfit and Well Advantage isa sa mga best health insurance plans in the Philippines? And bakit usually ito yung kinukuha ng mga clients natin?
Ito yung pinaka-comprehensive health plan na meron kami with Sun Life. So this plan covers total of 114 major and minor critical illness.
Hindi lang yung diagnosis ang kino-cover niya. Ang kino-cover din niya is yung recovery. Then, meron ka pang hospitalization benefit. Bibigyan din niya tayo ng mga cash benefit.
Limited pay siya. You can pay for it for 10 years lang, 15 years, or 20 years.
Regardless naman, insured ka hanggang age 100.
Meron siyang guaranteed cash benefits. Kasi kapag hinayaan mo lang yun na nandoon, mag-i-interest lang yan.
So, bakit gusto ito ng mga tao? Kapag hindi nagkasakit, may makukuha. Kapag nagkaroon ng sudden death, yun naman is death benefit. All in one. Comprehensive siya. In case ma-diagnose na malalang sakit, may makukuha. If hindi nagkasakit, nagkaroon ng death, may makukuha. If humaba ang buhay, may makukuha pa din. Habang naguhulog ka, meron kang peace of mind. Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, and today pag-usapan natin ang 5 dahilan bakit marami nagsasabi na ang Sun Life, Sunfit and Well Advantage ang isa sa mga best health insurance plans in the Philippines. And here with me again is one of our advisors, Dexter. Welcome again sa ating channel, and pag-usapan natin, mabilis na usapan lang, bakit marami naghahanap nito sa atin and bakit usually ito yung kinukuha ng mga clients natin. Sunfit and Well Advantage 20.
Okay, Sunfit and Well Advantage 20, guys, alam nyo, ito yung pinaka-comprehensive health plan na meron kami with Sun Life. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi this plan covers total of 114 major and minor critical illnesses. It covers from diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation. So, meron din post-hospitalization. And if meron siyang additional benefits, it will cover also the hospitalization income benefit as well. Ang pinakamaganda dito is that kino-cover nito yung mga top critical illness na main reason bakit maraming cause of death sa Pilipinas. Ano-ano yung mga yun? Example, stroke, cancer, heart attack. So, that is the top 3 major critical illness na sinasagot nitong plan na ito. So, hindi lang yung tatlong yun, but marami pang iba.
Yeah, it covers 114 major and minor critical illnesses. So, number 2 reason bakit marami nagsasabi na ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang health plan is that hindi lang yung diagnosis ang kino-cover niya. No? Ang kino-cover din niya is yung recovery. No? So, meron ka na makukuha na big amount of money in case ma-diagnose tayo ng malalang sakit.
That's right.
And then, meron ka pang tinatawag na hospitalization benefit. Meron ka pang per day ng hospitalization. So, may specific amount of money per day na makukuha kapag na-admit tayo sa hospital. And, pag nakalabas ka sa hospital, meron ka ding cash benefit na makukuha. At the same time, yun yung post-hospitalization. At the same time, no, meron tayong tinatawag na home recovery benefit. Ibig sabihin, itong plan na to, no, naintindihan niya na in case lumabas tayo sa hospital, marami pa rin tayong mga expenses, no? Marami pa rin tayong mga bills like pang therapy, pang mga gamot. So, bibigyan din niya tayo ng mga cash benefit for that. And in case naman, ma-diagnose ng terminal illness, nagkaroon ng tanning, mako-cover din, may additional cash benefit. On top of the main benefit, if that's 1 million in case of diagnosis ng critical illness or in case na 2 million, on top pa itong mga ito. No? So, kaya maganda ito, plan na ito.
Marami siyang on-top benefit. Aside from the original face amount itself, doon siya pinakamas nagugustuhan ng mga clients namin. Number 3, no, pangatlong dahilan bakit ito yung most requested plan na meron kami with Sun Life is that limited pay siya. No? You can pay for it for 10 years lang, 15 years, or 20 years. So, depende sa kung ano yung mas prefer mo.
Binibigyan niya tayo ng flexibility kung 10 years lang, 15 years, or 20 years to pay, no? So, syempre, parang pagbabayad ng bahay, kapag mas spread out mo ang pagbabayad, mas mura siya, mas affordable, pero yung total sum nun, mas mahal din, no? Compared kapag 15 years tsaka 10 years. Pero ang maganda naman nun, kahit hindi mo pa siya tapos bayaran, nagkaroon ng sickness or nagkaroon ng death within the covered time, no? During the paying period, you don't need to pay the balance, no? So kung gusto mo ng malaking coverage na affordable right now, okay, fix naman yung yung rate natin all throughout, no? So you can do sa 20 years. Ngayon kung ayaw mo naman, pwede namang 15 years or 10 years. Regardless naman, insured ka hanggang age 100. Hindi siya katulad ng insurance with investment na kailangan mo pang maghulog even after 10 years or 15 years. Kasi this is a traditional plan. Na kapag sinabing 10 years lang, 10 years mo lang talaga uhulugan and covered ka until age 100. No?
So, yun yung kinagandahan nun, no? Limited pay lang siya. And number 4, meron siyang guaranteed cash benefits habang buhay ka pa. So, dito kasi sa plan na to, basically, insured ka until age 100. At the end of the paying period, so makaka-receive ka ng mga cash benefits such as special paid up bonus, dividends, then at the age 65 until age 72, no? So that is a total of 8 years. Makaka-receive ka ng fixed endowment na pwede mag-serve as your as an additional for your retirement. That is total of 5% ng face amount na meron ka. So mapapakinabangan mo 'yon. Now, what if hindi mo siya i-withdraw? Say for example, yung tatlong yon, special paid up bonus, the dividends, the endowments, wala namang problem. Kasi kapag hinayaan mo lang yun na nandoon, mag-i-interest lang yan, magpa-pile up yan, and for a specific period of time, ginusto mo siyang withdrawin, okay lang. And ang kinagandahan pa nun, kapag winidraw mo yun ng buo, hindi maapektuhan nun yung coverage mo. Kasi on top siya doon sa benefit na in-acquire mo para sa plan na iyon. So yun yung kinagandahan ng Sunfit and Well Advantage 20. Kaya siya natawag na most comprehensive health plan kasi hindi lang health ang kanyang focus but meron ka ding cash benefits in the long run na magagamit for your retirement.
And ang fifth reason bakit gusto ito ng mga tao kasi, di ba, pag nagkasakit may makukuha. Kapag hindi nagkasakit, humaba yung buhay, may makukuha ng mga cash benefit. Pero kapag hindi nagkasakit, tapos nagkaroon ng sudden death, saan mapupunta yung 1 million or 2 million or 5 million na insurance coverage mo? Yun naman is magiging death benefit. Ibig sabihin, in case magkaroon ng death, kahit habang nagbabayad ka pa ng Sunfit and Well Advantage mo, guaranteed yung 1 million sa family mo. So, may ipapamana ka pa. And ito yung pinakagusto ng mga clients namin, ng mga OFW business owners. Kasi para siyang all-in-one, comprehensive siya. 114 major and minor critical illnesses yung covered. In case ma-diagnose na malalang sakit, may makukuha. If hindi nagkasakit, nagkaroon ng death, may makukuha. If humaba ang buhay, may makukuha pa din. No? Kasi karamihan sa atin, akala natin is isang plan lang for each functions, for each benefits. Pero this one, all-in-one na rin siya.
All-in-one.
And until age 100 at limited pay lang.
Oo, limited pay lang. I just want to highlight lang din kapag itong plan na to, no, actually applicable siya sa lahat ng plan. But for this plan, kapag hindi mo siya natapos hulugan, for example, at the third year pa lang, na naguhulog tayo, hindi pa natin tapos hulugan yung plan. So, applied na agad yung insurance coverage natin. So, hindi mo na siya kakailanganing tapusin once na may nangyari na. Kasi yun naman talaga yung purpose ng insurance.
Kumbaga, habang naguhulog ka, meron kang peace of mind na if ever may mangyari, kahit hindi ko pa tapos hulugan, mayroon akong pampagamot. So, yeah. Thank you so much, Dexter. Thank you so much,
Sir Josh.
everyone. And I hope natulungan namin kayo. And if you have any questions, you want to know more about this, magkano siya sa age mo, magkano siya for your husband, for your wife, for your children, book an appointment with us or set an appointment with us, message us sa Facebook accounts namin, sa description box, and we will be happy to assist you. No? So, see you sa next episode natin. God bless.
See you guys.
Bye.